Hidden deep within the tropical rainforests of Central and South America lives one of the most powerful insects on Earth, a giant armored creature so incredible that it was named after the legendary hero, Hercules. Meet the Hercules beetle, a massive insect famous for its enormous horns, unbelievable strength, and intimidating appearance. With a body that can reach astonishing sizes and the ability to lift objects many times heavier than itself, this beetle has become one of the most iconic insects in the world. At first glance, it looks like a miniature battle machine built by nature itself. But beyond the giant horns and armored shell lies a fascinating story of survival, strength, competition, and adaptation. In today's video, we are exploring the extraordinary world of the Hercules beetle, discovering how it lives, why it became so strong, and why this rainforest giant is considered one of nature's most impressive insects. The Hercules beetle belongs to the rhinoceros beetle group within the scarab beetle family. Its scientific name is Dynastes hercules, and it is one of the largest flying insects on Earth. Some males can grow over 7 inches long when their horns are included. This enormous size immediately makes the beetle stand out among insects. Males are much larger and more dramatic-looking than females because of their huge horns, while females have shorter, more compact bodies without giant horn structures. These differences exist because males use their horns in battles against rivals during competition for mates. The most famous feature of the Hercules beetle is its massive horn system. The male has a long, upper horn extending forward from the thorax and a lower horn rising from the head. Together they form a powerful pincer-like structure. During fights, males use these horns to grab, lift, and throw opponents off tree trunks or branches. These battles can look incredibly intense despite happening between insects. The stronger male often wins access to females and territory. Evolution favored larger horns because successful fighters pass their genes to future generations. Over millions of years, this produced the giant horned beetles we see today. Despite its fearsome appearance, the Hercules beetle is harmless to humans. It does not bite aggressively, sting, or attack people. Most of its life is spent searching for food, climbing trees, avoiding predators, and reproducing. The giant horns are mainly tools for combat between males, not weapons against humans. This peaceful nature surprises many people who expect such a huge insect to be dangerous. In reality, it is one of the gentlest giants of the insect world.
The beetle's body is protected by a hard outer shell called an exoskeleton. This armor provides defense against predators and physical damage. The shell is lightweight yet extremely durable, allowing the insect to move efficiently while remaining protected. The front wing covers, called elytra, shield the delicate flying wings underneath. When ready to fly, the beetle opens the elytra and unfolds its hidden wings. Watching such a giant insect suddenly take flight is an unforgettable sight. The loud buzzing sound created by its wings adds to its intimidating reputation. Another remarkable feature of the Hercules beetle is its changing coloration. Many males have olive green, yellowish, or tan wing covers marked with black spots. But these colors can change depending on humidity levels in the environment. In moist conditions, the beetle often appears darker because microscopic structures in the shell react to moisture. This unique ability has fascinated scientists for years. Researchers study these structures to better understand natural materials and possible technological applications inspired by insect biology. Nature often solves engineering challenges in ways humans are only beginning to understand. The Hercules beetle lives mainly in tropical rainforests, especially in regions of Central America, South America, and parts of the Caribbean. Rainforests provide warmth, humidity, rotting wood, and abundant vegetation needed for survival. Adults are often found near decaying fruit or tree sap, while larvae develop deep inside rotting logs. These forests are among the richest ecosystems on Earth, supporting millions of species. The Hercules beetle is one of the most spectacular creatures hidden within this environment. The life cycle of the Hercules beetle is long and fascinating. It begins when a female lays eggs inside decaying wood or organic material. After hatching, the larvae emerge. These larvae are enormous white grubs with strong jaws and thick bodies. They spend much of their lives feeding on decomposing wood and organic matter. This stage can last 1 to 2 years depending on environmental conditions. During this time, the larva grows larger and stores energy for transformation. Eventually, the larva enters the pupal stage. Inside a protective chamber built from surrounding material, the insect undergoes complete metamorphosis. Its body reorganizes entirely. Legs, wings, horns, and adult structures form during this incredible biological process. After weeks or months, the adult Hercules beetle finally emerges from the pupa. Fresh adults are often softer and lighter in color before the exoskeleton hardens completely. Once ready, the beetle begins its adult life in the rainforest canopy and forest floor environment. Adult Hercules beetles mainly feed on decaying fruit, sap, and plant material. Overripe fruit fallen to the forest floor becomes an important food source. Using strong mouthparts, the beetle consumes soft organic matter rich in sugars and nutrients. While feeding, they help recycle nutrients within the ecosystem. By breaking down decomposing material, they contribute to natural nutrient cycling in forests. Even giant beetles play important ecological roles. Predators still threaten the Hercules beetle despite its size and armor. Birds, mammals, reptiles, and large predatory insects may attack larvae or adults. Young larvae are especially vulnerable before they reach full size. Camouflage, hard shells, and hidden lifestyles help reduce danger. Adults are often active at night, which also lowers exposure to daytime predators. Many rainforest creatures survive by becoming nocturnal, and the Hercules beetle is no exception. Rainforest destruction is one of the greatest threats facing Hercules beetles today. Logging, mining, agriculture, and urban expansion continue reducing tropical habitats worldwide. When forests disappear, beetles lose breeding sites,